This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Greer. This light, bright, and spacious end unit comes tastefully furnished, has 3 bedrooms, all bedrooms open to a lanai area, and 3 full baths. The kitchen has a breakfast nook with slider, laundry, and pantry. There's extra storage conveniently located next to the unit to store your beach chairs, umbrella, and coolers. Unit has electric and manual storm shutters, assigned parking and guest parking. The pool and chickee hut overlooks Caxambas Pass, and the 10,000 Islands is just a half-mile to Marco Island South Beach, shopping, and restaurants. Boat docks are available though the association for the owners in residence. Water's Edge is at the south end of Marco Island, is gated and offers water direct access to the Gulf of Mexico. Owners are allowed 1 pet up to 20 pounds. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Greer at 800-237-8817 extension 1231.